Have you ever wondered why discipline is more important than motivation in your fitness journey? Let's dive into that. Discipline, my friends, is your commitment to a routine or regimen. It's the silent promise you make to yourself, the vow to show up and put in the work, even on days when you'd rather do anything but. It's that unwavering dedication that keeps you going, even when the going gets tough. You see, motivation is a fleeting feeling. It comes and goes, ebbs and flows. Discipline, however, is constant. It's the sturdy bridge that carries you over the river of setbacks, the beacon of consistency that guides you through the fog of doubts. Your fitness goals? They're not just about how much you can lift or how fast you can run. They're about the discipline you cultivate along the way, the small daily victories that add up to monumental success. Discipline, in essence, is the bedrock of any successful fitness journey. Now you might ask, what about motivation? Isn't that important too? Absolutely, motivation is critical. It's like the spark that ignites the engine of your fitness journey. It's that initial rush of enthusiasm that gets you to lace up your running shoes or pick up that dumbbell for the first time. However, let's delve a bit deeper into the concept of motivation. It's not a constant force. It can be as changeable as the weather, waxing and waning depending on a myriad of factors. One day, you might be pumped, ready to conquer the world. The next, you might find yourself struggling to even get out of bed. External factors, your mood, even the day's weather can influence your motivation levels. So, while motivation is a great initial push, it's not always reliable. It's the rocket fuel that propels you off the ground, but it's not what's going to keep you soaring in the long run. Motivation, while a great kickstarter, isn't always reliable. So, if discipline is the marathon runner and motivation is the sprinter, who wins in the race of fitness success? Here's the scoop. The key to fitness success is not a sprint but a marathon. While motivation is that initial spark that ignites your fitness journey, discipline is the fuel that keeps the flame burning. Let's be honest, motivation can be fleeting. It's here one day and gone the next. But discipline is steadfast. It's the force that gets you out of bed for an early morning run when it's freezing outside, or keeps you going when you'd rather call it quits. Discipline helps maintain consistency, the cornerstone of any successful fitness regimen. It empowers you to overcome setbacks and keep pushing towards your fitness goals. Remember, in the long run, discipline will always come out on top. So focus on building discipline and let motivation be the cherry on top. In conclusion, discipline is the key to a successful and sustainable fitness journey. It's what gets you up and moving even when the initial spark of motivation begins to wane. So focus on building discipline in your fitness routines. Motivation may get you started, but it's discipline that'll keep you going. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being disciplined. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful fitness tips, and we'll see you in the next video.